Hello friends, welcome to our channel Technical Academy. This is our lecture number 2 in analog electronics. So in this lecture we will study about what is amplifier, then we will study about the various classifications of the amplifiers. So let us start our presentation with definition of the amplifier, that what is amplifier. So first of all we will define that what is amplification. So an electronic signal that contains some information which cannot be utilized if it doesn't have proper strength, and the process of increasing the signal strength is called as amplification. So electronic signals are not having that much strength, so these signals cannot be properly used. So the strength of this signal should be increased, and such types of process is known as amplification. And now we will see what is the amplifier. Amplifiers are those electronic circuits which are used to strengthen the weak signal in almost all the electronic devices. So amplifiers are those circuits which are used to amplify the input of the signals which are very weak. So in almost all the electronic devices it is used to amplify the signals which are weak in nature. So now we will see the classification of the amplifiers. So the classification of the amplifiers are based on the following categories. So the first category is based on the number of stages, second one is the based on its output, third one is based on input signal, fourth one is the based on the frequency range, fifth one is the based on the biasing condition, and sixth one is the based on the coupling method, and seventh one is transistor configuration. So we will study about one by one about all the categories. So the first category is based on the number of stages. So depending on the number of stages, these amplifiers can be classified as the single stage amplifiers and the multi-stage amplifiers. So what is single stage amplifiers? This has only one transistor circuit, which is a single stage amplification. So single stage amplifiers uses only one transistor circuit, and there is only one stage amplification of the signal. And the second one is the multi-stage amplifiers. So multi-stage amplifiers are those circuits which uses multiple transistor circuits, and in this multi-stage amplifiers it provides the multi-stage amplifications. And the next one is based on the on its output signal. So depending on the output signal, there are two categories of the amplifiers. The first one is the voltage amplifier, and the second one is the power amplifiers. So the amplifier circuits that increases the voltage level in the input signal is called as the amplifier circuits. Voltage amplifier. So the purpose of using voltage amplifier is that if the incoming signal is very weak, or the output of the signal is weak, then we can use the voltage amplifier to amplify the voltage signal up to a maximum range that we require. And now the power amplifiers. So the amplifier circuit that increases the power level of the input signal is called as power amplifier. So power amplifiers are used to increase the power level of the input signal. So the next category is based on its input signal. So depending on the magnitude of the input signal applied, there are basically two categories. The first one is the small signal amplifier, the second one is the large signal amplifiers. So when the input of the signal is so weak so as to produce small fluctuations in the collector current compared to its quiescent value, the amplifier is known as small signal amplifier. And the second one is the large signal amplifier, when the fluctuations in the collector current are so large that is beyond the linear portion of the characteristics. Such types of amplifier are known as large signal amplifiers. And the next category is based on the frequency. So depending on the frequency range of the signal, it can be classified as an audio amplifier and the power amplifier. So the amplifier circuit that amplifies the signals that lie in the audio frequency range, that is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz range frequency range. Such types of amplifier are known as audio amplifier, and these amplifiers are used to amplify the signals of the audio. And now the second one is power amplifiers. So the amplifier circuit that amplify the signals that lies in the very high frequency range. So such types of amplifiers are known as power amplifier circuits. And the next category based on the biasing condition of the biasing condition. So depending on their mode of operation, there are class A, class B, class C and class AB amplifiers. So now we will see what is class A amplifier. So the biasing conditions in class A power amplifiers are such that the collector current flows for the entire AC signal applied. And the class B amplifier, the biasing conditions in the class B power amplifiers are such that the collector current flows for the half cycle of the input AC signal applied. And now we will see the third amplifier, that is class C amplifier. In class C amplifier, the biasing condition in class C power amplifiers are such that the collector current flows for the less than half cycle of the input AC signal applied. And the fourth one is the class AB amplifier. So the class AB amplifiers are made by combining both class A and class B amplifier to get the benefits of both the class A and class B amplifiers. In order to have all the advantages of both the class A and class B amplifier, and to minimize the problems they have. So in class AB amplifiers, whatever was the problems that was occurring in the class A and class B amplifiers, these are reduced in class AB amplifiers, and some advantages of both amplifiers are utilized here. The next category is based on the coupling method. So depending on the method of the coupling, one stage to other, there are basically three types of coupling amplifiers. So the first one is the RC coupled amplifier, the second one is the transformer coupled amplifier, and the third one is the direct coupled amplifiers. So we will see one by one. So what is RC coupled amplifier? A multi-stage amplifier circuit that is coupled to the next stage using the resistor and the capacitor. RC combination can be called as the RC coupled amplifier. The next one is the transformer coupled amplifier, a multi-stage amplifier circuit that is coupled to the next stage with the help of a transformer, can be called as a transformer coupled amplifier. So in the transformer coupled amplifier, multi-stage amplifiers are combined together with the help of the transformer. And the third one is the direct coupled amplifier, a multi-stage amplifier circuit that is coupled to the next stage directly. It means in multi-stage amplifiers, if they are coupled directly to each other, or we can say if they are connected to the next stage directly without using any coupling, without using transformer or any method, so this is known as direct coupled amplifier. The next category is the based on the transistor configurations. So depending upon the type of the transistor configurations, there are CE, CB and CC amplifiers. So the first one is the CE, common emitter amplifier. So the amplifier circuit that is formed using the common emitter configuration of the transistor combination is called as the CE amplifier. The second one is the common base amplifier. So the amplifier circuit which is formed by using the common base configuration of the resistor combination is called as the CB amplifier or the common base amplifier. And the fourth one is the common collector amplifier. So the amplifier circuit that is formed by using the CC configuration of the transistor or common collector configuration of the transistor is called as CC amplifier. So friends, if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.